Of all the planets, I am special. I am the Mother Earth, filled with water, air, and life. Humans, trees, birds, water animals, and wildlife. I spin and turn all year round the orbit to give you all the season and climate. You people use my land, air, water, and soil, but keep on filling it with litter and allowing it to spoil. I provide air, food, home to live. With greedy lust, you destroy the nature I give and plot your own nature's death. The air you fill with smoke makes my breath choke. You make my heart fill with strife by cutting down the green forest and pushing up the greenhouse gases. What was once a clean sea and pure soil is now all barren, clogged with waste and oil. How long can I stand the trouble? I start to scream and tremble. I give you all I have unto my end, but it's now all in your hands to defend and mend.